So welcome to the welding technology course. The course code is PR8592. It's a professional elective subject for the regulation 2017. And here in this video session, we'll be studying about Unit 5, that is the design of weld joints, weldability and testing of weldments. So here in the syllabus, we have various weld joint designs, welding defects, causes and remedies, weldability of aluminum, copper and stainless steels. Also, we will be studying about the destructive and non-destructive testing of weldments. So, introduction to various weld joint designs. So, you have here the various weld joint designs. So, this is a butt joint. So, a joint between two members aligned approximately in the same plane. And this is a butt joint. And different edge shapes and symbols for some butt joints. So this is a square groove, and the weld symbol for the square groove is shown here. And this is the V groove. So the weld symbol is shown as in the form of V. And this is the bevel groove, and the weld symbol is shown here. And next is the corner joint. So corner joint, a joint between two members which is located at right angles to each other. So that is the corner joint. And you have some different edge shapes and symbols for T joints. So this is a T joint, that is J groove, and the weld symbol is shown here. And this is the flap bevel groove, and the weld symbol is shown here. And here you have this bevel groove, and this weld symbol is shown here. And next is the lap joint. So a lap joint, a joint between two overlapping members. So this is the overlapping members, and the joint is made between these two overlapping members. And there's some different edge shapes and symbols for lap joints. So this is bevel groove, and the symbol is shown here. And this is the J groove, and type of lap joint. The symbol is shown here. And this is the flap bevel groove, and its weld symbol is shown here. So thank you. With this, we come to an end for this weld joints. So have a great